Welcome back, guys. Okay, I'm going to update my tutorial for solving the Rubik's Cube. The first video was the beginner's method, but now I've advanced to the intermediate method. Here it goes. Once again, we're going to do the daisy. So I've got yellow on the rule about this method, the whole time the yellow will stay on the top. So we're not going to be turning the cube up and down. So I make the daisy. Okay, making the daisy. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Okay, here's the daisy. Now I hold the daisy and match, in this case, red to red. This is the daisy turn. This is the important turn that you have to learn because you use it a few times. Turn it down. I'm making the white cross on the bottom. Okay, I'm doing this daisy. I hold it blue to blue, hold the daisy, turn these two and match blue and turn it down to the bottom. Hold this daisy again. I'm going to put green to green, turn it down, and then last of all, this one's already matched, turn it down. Now the white cross is on the bottom. I'm not going to show it to you. Just take my word for it, it's on the bottom. All right, here it goes. The reason I'm not going to show it to you because I want us to keep focusing on this and not to get confused because I can't follow it when other people are moving the cube around so fast. Okay, so I'm going to put the corners in. This is how you put the corners in. You find a white corner in the front. This one's here. It's green on top, so you use the daisy turn again to put green on top. And now, sledgehammer. Sledgehammer. That has just put it in the bottom corner there. And there's another one ready to go. Red on top. So hold the daisy, do the daisy turn. Sledgehammer. Wish I knew that song. All right, look around on the top. There's none here. So I'm going to have to bring this white one up to the top. I've broken my white cross. Okay, it's on the left, so I'm going to do my left sledgehammer. Sledgehammer! Okay, and now I think I've got one here. Hold the daisy. Sledgehammer. Okay, and now that's done. I'm going to show you. Yeah! How is that possible? Okay, second algorithm. The rule for this is we're going to only looking at edges here. Yellow is bad. Bad, bad, bad. Good. Hold the daisy. Join orange to orange. Okay, blue. Is it on the left or is it on the right? It's on the right in this case, so you do the right algorithm. This is called the upside down T's because we're making a T, but it's upside down. Okay, is that a good or a bad edge? It's bad. Bad. Good. See, here's the T, upside down T's. Green. Is it on the left or the right? It's on the right, so do the right upside down T algorithm. Very nice. Bad edge, good edge. Hold the daisy, match red. Okay, is blue on the left or the right? It's on the left. So here I go, do the left upside down T algorithm. It's on the left side, so I do the left algorithm. Okay, so now FURURF. This is the second algorithm. I'm looking for the back to front L, and here it is. So because it's there, I only will have to do this algorithm once. There's three states. It can either be a single dot, which means the algorithm will be 3 times, or a straight line, which would be horizontal, and then the algorithm would be done twice, or this, which is the back to front L, which means I only have to do this algorithm once. Here I go. This is the back to front L. F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime. Perfect. Here is the yellow cross. Once you get the yellow cross, you're doing the soon. The rule before I do the soon is I want a yellow left top corner that's facing me. Here it is. So now I do the soon. If you get any pattern, this is after you've solved the yellow cross, if you get any pattern, you want to find yellow there. Any pattern other than the yellow cross means I need yellow in the top left corner. Here it is. So I will do the soon. And then this is the fish. The only time that it's different is if you have the yellow cross, and in that case, find no yellow and do the soon. This is the fish, put the head in the corner, and I must have yellow facing me, but the head must be in the front corner. So the head is still in the front, yellow's facing me. Now, this is the next rule. Once you have the fish, whatever side the yellow corner is on, that's the soon you do. This is on the left side, so I'm doing the anti-soon. Great. Yellow. Now I'm up to it's on the right, so I'm doing the soon. I'm up to the second last algorithm, the J perm. There's no headlight, so I can start with anywhere. Okay, that J perm has made one pair of headlights. If you have one pair of headlights, put it to the left and do J perm. Okay, now I'm up to the last algorithm. There's a completed side here. Put that completed side at the back and do the U perm. I may have to do this 1, 2, or 3 times. I'm gonna, I don't know. I know I'll have to do it 2 times at least because I'm looking at this. That's not the same. If I did it with my left hand, it would just be once. So should I do it with my left hand? Okay. Yes! Yes! Hey, Vector. Who is... Oh, sorry. I have a question. Hey, Vector. I have a question. Who invented the Rubik's Cube? Ah, well, I'll tell you, it was Ernesto Rubik, was it? Okay. Hey, Vector. Go home. In your own time, Vector. Bye, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching my tutorial. It was really great. Sorry about all the sorry about the DFs. Is that what you call it? Oh well. Bye.